皆さんどうも、ライトと申します。Hey, this is Light. Welcome. Today I want to recommend this book for kanji learners. And I do have a lot of other novels and books I want to recommend, but for now, if you're starting out with kanji, actually this is covering a decent amount. If you're still new to kanji, this is covering from 1 till grade 3. And it's 440 kanji. It's going to keep you very busy. Now, just quickly heads up, we have Ikkini Kiwameru Kokugo, so grade 1 till 3, so 440 kanji. That is also if you have the Kanji Cafe series, the book, or the PDF file, then you can actually study it with this. It's a great supplementary tool. Well, both go together pretty well. And if you're a gamer on Steam, I also create a game called PLAYNESE, where you can go through the mnemonics covering the kanji, right? And starting off, you can see mostly they cover a kanji on the right side, and on the left you have to write or some form of kind of workbook activity they give you, and they go through all the kanji like so. So if you're just writing every day, why not get a book and do it while you can learn in context on the left side. Well, it's all color, it's a very durable book, and they have some pretty nice sentences over here. And sorry, you can hear a lot of summer sounds here in Japan. It's August, the month I like the least, but I do have the air conditioner on right now. And so I highly recommend this. I also like this one-page kanji, well, kind of story they're telling you, and maybe recommending 2 pages per day if you're still new to kanji, because you can check this picture out, and on the left you practice it for the day, and then the next day you just review a bit and you go to the next few pages. And as you can see, it's pretty demanding, so just a little bit each day will keep you busy for a long time. I will leave a link in the description below to the book on Amazon, also Kanji Cafe and the PLAYNESE game on Steam.